how to remove third-party domain from Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you on how you can remove third-party domains from Shopify in the easiest and most simplest ways possible. So to do this, what we are going to be doing is we're going to go ahead into our domain section from our settings, okay? So you're going to come to your settings. Once you come to your settings, you're going to go into domains from here. Now here you're going to find, all the certain domains that you have, all the basic domains that you can work along with. So to, remove a third-party domain, so let's say, obviously this isn't my third-party domain, but generally, if this was not your primary domain, you will get the option to remove it, okay? So to remove it, what happens is when you click upon a domain like this, it's going to give you a delete domain option right down here. It's going to say delete domain pretty openly down here. So you can delete it in the easiest way. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.